Alright, so today I got this old Kirby vacuum. It's from like the late 70s. So today I'm gonna test it out. See right here. And put this on. Let's see. I'm gonna do this. So yeah. And then make a video on this. Hopefully I can upload sometime soon after this. I'm not sure when, but hold on, I'm gonna set the camera down really quick. Alright. I got it on, so I'm gonna test this out. See how this works. I'll put the hose away. Yeah, so do that. Put that right there. Plug this in there. Oh, right there. Alright. And I'll see how this thing works. That's it for the video now. Hope y'all enjoyed. Like, subscribe, Leave a comment down below about what you thought about the video, I don't know. But, yeah, hopefully I can upload again sometime soon. Yeah, sorry about not being able to upload in the past couple years. But, yeah, so, hopefully I make another video soon, and hopefully I'll see y'all soon. Alright, bye.